Hello, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a Mazda 3 in the workshop. Let's have a look inside. So this vehicle has come in for the DMX7722 today. So that's wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As you can see, I have Android Auto running now. That gives us access to Google Maps, we've got Spotify. There are other apps on there as well, so we've got Amazon Music, you've got your parking, Spotify, WhatsApp, YouTube Music, anything else that's compatible, Waze for example. That's a popular navigation app. We've also got the normal digital stereo, DAB. And we've also got FM and the usual Bluetooth, hands-free and audio streaming. There we go, there's that one there.